Have you discovered a suspicious or malicious URL on your WordPress site? Or noticed unusual traffic from unknown sources? Don't panic. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to detect, remove, and prevent malicious URLs from infecting your website. Let's get started. Hackers often exploit vulnerabilities to insert malicious URLs into WordPress sites. These links can lead to phishing pages, malware downloads, or unwanted redirects. If left unchecked, they can damage your website's reputation, affect SEO rankings, and even get your site blacklisted. Step 1. Detecting the malicious URL. To identify suspicious links, follow these steps. Check Google Search Console, go to Security and Manual Actions to see if Google flagged any harmful URLs. Analyze your website traffic, use Google Analytics or server logs to check for unusual spikes in visits from specific regions. Use a security plugin, install WordFence, Security, or Malcare to scan your website for malware, unauthorized changes, and injected links. Inspect your database and files. Search your WordPress database for unwanted URLs using phpMyAdmin and check your theme files, plugins, and .taxis file for any suspicious code. Step 2. Removing the malicious URL. Once you've identified the malicious URL, take immediate action to remove it. Remove suspicious code manually. If the URL is injected into your content, go to your WordPress admin, edit affected posts or pages, and remove it. If it's in theme files, use FTP or File Manager to delete the malicious code. Restore a clean backup. If you have a recent, clean backup of your site, like from a month ago, restore it to overwrite infected files. Update WordPress, plugins, and themes. Ensure everything is up to date to patch security vulnerabilities. Change passwords and check user accounts. Reset all admin passwords and verify there are no unauthorized user accounts. Step 3. Prevent future attacks. Prevention is key to keeping your website safe. Here's how to protect your WordPress site from future attacks. Install a security plugin, use WordFence or iThemes Security to monitor suspicious activity and block malicious login attempts. Enable Web Application Firewall. WAF services like Security or Cloudflare provide additional protection against hackers. Disable XML-RPC and limit login attempts. Hackers often exploit XML-RPC to gain access. Disable it and limit login attempts to prevent brute force attacks. Regular backups. Use Updraft Plus or Backup Buddy to schedule daily backups. Store copies offsite for safety. Use strong passwords and two-factor authentication. 2FA. Always use complex passwords and enable 2FA to prevent unauthorized access. By following these steps, you can effectively remove malicious URLs and prevent future security threats. Keeping your website secure requires vigilance, but with the right tools and practices, you can stay ahead of hackers. If you found this guide helpful, like this video and subscribe for more WordPress security tips. Stay safe and keep your website protected.